Hey guys, what is up? How you guys doing and welcome back to another video. So today I'll be explaining algebraic equations, and there are multiple types of algebraic equations, and we'll be starting with the linear algebraic equation. Let's start with the first question. In the first question we have 2x plus 3 is equal to 7. So in this we have to calculate the value of x, which is value of x for this is 2x is equal to, or 2x plus 3 minus 3 is equal to 7 minus 3, because what we will do is to cancel plus 3 on this side we will be using minus 3, and it will be added in the left side and also in the right side. So this will be plus 3 minus 3 will be 0, so 2x is equal to 7 minus 3, which will be 4. So we will be writing 4. So 2x plus is equal to 4. Then we will divide 2x by 2 and 4 by 2. So 2 and 2 is cancelled, and over here is 2 is cancelled by 1, and here we have 2. So the value of x is equal to 2. So this is how we will be solving the linear equation. So the another type of algebraic equation is simplifying equation, and in this we have the question 4 brackets open x plus 2 brackets close plus 3x. So this will be 4x plus 8 plus 3x. So this is 4x plus 3x is 7x, and 7x plus 8 will be the final answer. We don't have to calculate the value of x, just you have to simplify the equation. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share with your friends. See you in the next video. Bye.